How to fix Alt plus Tab out of game screen turning black delay. So generally this happens when you play some of the big powerful games such as GTA, right? Such as Black Myth Wukong. So if you play some of the AAA games and whenever you just tap Alt plus Tab to change your window, generally it happens. So how you can fix this? So switching your game from full screen to window mode can significantly reduce black screen delays. So how you can do this, I can show you a shortcut. So let me just open a notepad here, right? So here you have to press Alt plus enter, right, in your keyboard. So whenever your any game is in full screen mode, you can just turn it into the windows, and once you press Alt plus enter, it will be back into the full screen, right? So it's a shortcut, so you don't need to just get back to the settings again and again, right? So this is a way. But in wherever you gameplay, in the option section, there will be a display or graphic settings. You can select window mode, borderless window mode, right? And you can save this and restart the game to apply the changes. Now, the second thing is that, adjust refresh rate. So right click on the desktop and select display settings. So let me just take you to the settings here. Now this is settings here. Now you can just go to the display section, right? So inside this section, there will be a display, right? And scroll a little bit down, go to the advanced display, and here choose a refresh rate. Right, so here you can change your refresh rate, and you can check any one of them. If you have more than three, then of course you can do this depending upon what's your powerful system you have. Now the third thing is that disable full screen optimization. Now right click on the game shortcut, right? Let me show you up. So let's say I will just take this GTA here, right click, and then you can show more option, go to the properties, and once you go to the properties here, you have to go to the compatibility. So this is a shortcut, that's why I'm not able to see this. Let me check on Black Myth here, show more option, go to the properties, and again here I'm not able to get this compatibility option. But in your case, if you're able to find the compatibility tab, check the box and click on disable full screen optimization and apply OK. Now this is it, guys, and you can just change the some of the graphic settings depending upon your system. It might work, right? So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching this video.